the final question here for determining a proper and suitable e-commerce platform for you is, how easy is it to update and upgrade the e-commerce platform? Updating content on an e-commerce website has to be easy, because the folks who are maintaining it are going to be people who are not developers. So it's got to be easy for non-technical staff to periodically update the website content. One crucial example of this, which ties into a lot of the innovations that are happening right now in websites, is the increasing integration of OpenAI's ChatGPT with Drupal websites, including e-commerce websites that use Drupal and Drupal Commerce. And ChatGPT provides content summaries and titles for Drupal e-commerce users, and the Drupal community is already experimenting with this content module. As an example, a non-technical user on a Drupal Commerce site, can essentially ask ChatGPT, "Hey, build me a paragraph on cars," and ChatGPT, that feature on Drupal, will provide a full paragraph or two or three immediately upon that request. That saves a lot of time for people who are using and building content, on their e-commerce sites. So I think these types of artificial intelligence innovations will be really powerful for enabling people to just easily update their content on their e-commerce sites. The other thing that I would add is, in terms of upgrading, one thing to think about is, as software needs periodic upgrades. And so, these strategic upgrades should be easy too. And at Unleashed, we support open source e-commerce options that are not expensive six-figure exercises, but rather we support incremental upgrades and enhancements that avoid operational disruption across all these websites. So the idea here is, rather than a six-figure exercise to upgrade every few years, why don't we actually enhance these websites and upgrade them for security, for enhancements, on a periodic basis, on an annual basis, and then make that easy, not make that totally disruptive to the operational cadence of the company.